Hello students, I welcome you all. I hope you all good. Be safe in your home. Follow all the sessions. Okay, for all the subjects, do your homework and study daily. Children, till previous class we complete 2 chapter. Okay, in today's class we enter into a new chapter, that is advanced features in word processor. Okay, the word processor is an example for an application software. In previous class we saw that, right? Word processor is an application software. Okay, let us know how to open a word processor. Okay, first we see in steps and then we see in detail. The first step is click on start button from the start menu. Then select Microsoft Office. Step 3, click on Microsoft Word 2010. Then the window button, right? We all able to see that, right? Window button, it is a start button. In all your computer it have a window button. Okay, it is a start button. When we click a start button, it shows many options. Okay, in that many options we have to select a Microsoft Office 2010 because that is the second step. Select Microsoft Office. When we touch that, it will show another tab. Microsoft Office has many parts. Okay, it shows that parts, that is Microsoft Access, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, it has many subheadings. In that we select Microsoft Word 2010 because we have to open a word processor, right? Then when we click on that, a microprocessor will load a blank document. Okay, for that we have to click a start button from the start menu. It shows a lot of options. That select Microsoft Office. When we click on that, it shows their side headings like Microsoft Access, Excel, like that. Okay, then we select Microsoft Word 2010 in that. When we click on that, a Microsoft Word program will load and it shows a blank document. Okay, like this it will appear a blank document when we open a MS Word. Okay, here you can see a lot of menus. Okay, we can able to see that, right? Insert, design, page layout. Here we can see a lot of menus. Okay, in that left corner we are able to see that a purple icon, right? It is a save icon. If you type any paragraph, okay, you type lot of things in a paragraphs. Okay, right? When we finish a document, you need to save it, right? And that time you use this save option, that left corner purple button. Okay, it is a save option. Or else we can use a shortcut key for save, that is Ctrl plus yes. Okay, then a document, by default it save and document by a document 1. Okay, then we edit in a file menu. This is a file menu. Okay, when we click a file, it will shows this. Okay, it has a new, when we want to create a new document, we can select a new. Okay, or else we can click a shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus N, a starting letter. Then we want to open a existing file. Okay, we have already saved it a file. Then we want to open that file, means we select a open, or else we click or else we type a Ctrl plus O. Okay, a first letter on the open. Then save button, we also save a document. Okay, for that we use a shortcut key Ctrl plus yes. Then we if we want to rename a document, means we use save as. Okay, Then format painter. Okay, in the formatting tools, the first topic is a formatting painter. Okay, students, just imagine if you write an assignment in a notebook. Okay, then we see a notebook. It looks like a normal paragraph. Like this, we are able to see that it looks a normal paragraph. Okay, but if you use a scale pencil to underline the topic and present it neatly, then it looks wonderful, right? It looks so presentable, and it looks neatly presented assignment. Okay, likewise, if you type any paragraph in the word processor, it looks so simple. Okay, if you didn't give any editing in that paragraph, means it looks a normal paragraph. Okay, so that we use a formatting. Okay, in that we are able to change font size, font color, font style, a margin. Okay, we can able to add a margin and a space line between a paragraph. Okay, these are the things we have to see. Okay, we have to see in today's class and continued in the next class. Okay, then if we type a paragraph without any formatting, means it looks like this. Okay, it looks like a normal paragraph. If we type it with the font style and if we change a font style, font color, font size, means it looks different from that a normal paragraph, right? This is a normal paragraph, and then this is we used a formatting tools in that. Okay, we use a underline and we change a font color also, right? We can able to change a font color and the font style, and the font style means in that paragraph it is a normal font style. Okay, it looks slanting. Okay, we can able to change that. We can able to change a font color for each word also. Okay, font size is different from the font style. Okay, we can able to see that, right? A font color has been changed. Okay, if we use a formatting tools, then your paragraph then your document will be so colorful. Okay, and then I used a formatting options. Okay, we have three basic formatting options, that is bold, italic and the underline. Okay, it looks a formatting tools, a heading should be a bold. Okay, we can able to see the difference between a paragraph and the paragraph heading. The heading will be seen as bold, right? For that bold, for that appearance we use a bold. Okay, or else we use a shortcut key control plus B. Then for italic, in that previous paragraph we didn't use a italic, right? So that it looks a normal paragraph, and then after using italic it uh, type in a slanting, right? We can able to difference it. Okay, for that we use italic, or else we have a shortcut key, that is control plus I. Then for the in a classwork we have to underline a heading, right? We have to underline heading for differentiating a topic from the content. Okay, for that we use control plus U, that is underline. It is a shortcut key for underline, control plus U. Okay students, let us stop here. Okay, then we have to write our classworks, right? We have to complete our classworks. Okay, we have to complete our first lesson classwork, that is evolution of computer, right? We move on to first exercise. Okay, in today's class we are going to revise a book back exercise. Okay, which of the following device was invented by the Chinese to count large number? Which invention was invented by the Chinese? That is abacus. Yes, abacus was the first calculating device. Then who developed the Pascaline? Yes, Blaise Pascal. Okay. In which form the input was fed into a tabulating machines? A punched cards. Okay, by punched cards, an input was fed into a tabulating machine. Who is known as the father of computer? We all know Charles Babbage. Which of the following was the first electronic computer developed in 1946? Yes, ENIAC. Then who developed UNIVAC? John Macleay. Okay. Then we move on to second exercise. Have you remembered that what it is? What is the name of this device? Yes, analytical engine. Then what is the name of this device? Yes, difference engine. Analytical engine and the difference engine was invented by Charles Babbage. We all know that, right? Then what it is? Pascaline. Yes, Pascaline was invented by Blaise Pascal. Then what is this? What is the name of this device? Any idea? Yes, it is a tabulating machine. Okay, for tabulating machine, input was fed by an punched cards. Then what it is? It divided by two parts. In the upper part called heaven and the lower part called earth. Have you remembered this? This is the first calculating device invented by the Chinese, that is abacus. Yes, right. Okay, then we move on to a third exercise, that is fill in the blanks. Okay. An abacus was mainly used by merchants to perform the basic calculations. As we all know, it is a first calculating device, so it was mainly used by the merchants to perform the basic calculations. Then the second one, in analytical engine, it has 4 parts, right? In that, a calculating unit is mill. Okay, the mill was the calculating unit in the analytical engine. Then the paper cards containing several punched holes to represent the data. Okay, what it is? A punched cards. A punched cards is a paper card containing several punched holes to represent the data. Next, the tabulating machine was invented by Hermann Hollerith. Okay. The ability to perform different types of tasks is called versatility. Okay. Abacus. A, B, A, C, U, S. Abacus. Mill. M, I, L, L. Mill. Punched cards. P, U, N, C, H, E, D. Punched. C, A, R, D, S. Cards. Punched cards. Tabulating machine. T, A, B, U, L, A, T, I, N, G. Tabulating. M, A, C, H, I, N, E. Tabulating machine. Versatility. Okay. V E R S A T I L I T Y. Versatility. Okay. Then we move on to answer the following. List any 5 yearly calculating devices. It is abacus, Napier bone, Pascaline, difference engine, analytical engine. Abacus was invented by a Chinese. Okay, then Napier's bone was invented by Sir John Napier. In the name itself, we can identify Napier bone was invented by Sir John Napier. Then Pascaline. It was invented by Blaise Pascal. And the fourth one, difference engine and the analytical engine was invented by Charles Babbage, and he is the father of computer. Second question is, name 2 machines designed by Charles Babbage. What it is? Difference engine and the analytical engine. Third one, name the parts of an analytical engine. It has 4 parts, right? Mill, store, reader, and the printer. Okay. Then the fourth, write any 3 characteristics of a computer. Speed, accuracy, versatility. Okay, we have many characteristics of a computer. In this question, they ask any 3 characteristics. Okay, then we add these 3: speed, accuracy, and the versatility. Give the features of a second generation computers. Okay, it is reliable and faster than the first generation computer. The first point. Second point is it is smaller in size. Third one, it generates less heat than the first generation computers. Then the fourth point is it consumed less electricity. Okay, because it is smaller in size and it generates less heat, it consumed a less electricity. Okay, less amount of electricity in that. Then the sixth question is, what is artificial intelligence? Give 2 examples of AI used these days. Artificial intelligence is the technology that enables a computer think, learn and change like humans. Okay, artificial intelligence is the technology that enables a computer think, learn and change like humans. Some examples of AI used these days are Sri, Google Now and Cortana. Okay, these 3 are the example of AI, that is artificial intelligence, used these days. Then for your classwork, in your first page, you have to mention these details in that. Okay, you have to write it in your first page of your classwork. This is your name, standard, section, subject, school name. Okay, you have to mention it in your first page of your classwork note. It will be must. Okay, then for your classwork, you don't need to write a choose the following in that. Okay, you have to start with your fill in the blanks. Okay, you have to start with your fill in the blanks and write neatly. Okay, put a topic, lesson 1, and then the next thing, a chapter name, evolution of computer, and put a Roman number 1 and write, fill in the blanks. Then start with these questions. Okay. The answers must be underlined with the pencil. Okay, then only we have identified that it is an answer. Okay, while studying we are confused. Okay, for that situation we have to underline the answers in a pencil. Okay, then finish these 5 questions and then move on to answer the following. Okay, put Roman number 2 and then start writing answer the following, and put question number 1 and write list any 5 yearly calculating devices and then start writing your answers. Okay, then write second question, name 2 machines designed by Charles Babbage. Then write your answers. Then name the parts of an analytical engine and then write your answers. And then put question number 4, write any 3 characteristics of a computer and then write. Then give the features of a second generation computer. It is a 5th question. Put the question number 5 and then write a question and then answer. Then 6th question, what is artificial intelligence? Give 2 examples of AI used these days. Okay, put a question number 6 and then write a question and then write an answer. Okay, write neatly. Okay, you have to submit your classworks in the GCR. Okay, everyone must return your first page in that like this. Okay, name, standard, section, subject and the school. It will be must. Okay, students, thank you.